Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook we are making this easy and quick homemade honey barbecue sauce, which is gonna go so well with our crispy crunchy air fryer chicken wings. You guys, this chicken seriously tastes like it came off of the grill. It is so good. Pair it up with some rice and some mixed veggies and dinner is done. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna start by making our barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add my ketchup into my pot. Just dump it on in there. And next we're gonna add in some pineapple juice. I'm gonna add in some honey. I love this kind of honey. But you can also use molasses if you want to. But yeah, we're using honey for this one. Go ahead and add in your dark brown sugar. And now we're just going to stir this on up. I have my heat on like a medium. We're gonna stir it just until that sugar begins to melt and that honey begins to, melt a little bit. And now I have some liquid smoke and some Worcestershire sauce. Dump that in, a whole bunch of spices. I got smoked salt, smoked paprika, because I want this barbecue sauce to taste all smoky and sweet and tangy. I just love that combination. I also added in a 4th cup of water. I don't know where that clip went. I don't know, it disappeared, but add a little bit of water in there. Just kind of, thin it out. And now we're going to simmer. Not long at all. What, 15 minutes? Maybe, okay? Simmer it just until it begins to thicken up a little bit. It's going to get a little bit darker in color, and now we are done. It's going to taste even better the next day, of course, like with all barbecue sauces, but it's good to go right now. Very quick and easy barbecue sauce. We are so done. Done. Nice and thick and luscious. Okay, let's move on to our chicken. Now, normally I would make my sauce while my chicken is cooking and stuff, but yeah. Okay, so we're gonna dry our chicken off. I have already rinsed it, washed it really well in some fresh lemon because, they like it when you do that to them. Wash them real good and then dry them. It has to be bone dry, honey. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of baking powder into my spices here. The baking powder is going to get that skin nice and tight and crispy and crunchy, just the way I like it. Okay, and I have a lot of spices in here. I have some sugar, which is going to give it that nice caramelization, like grilled stuff. It's going to be good. Smoked paprika, all kind of yummy stuff in there. Just go ahead and dump this on the chicken and then just toss around with your hands. I used to hate doing this part, but now I like it. I like it a lot. All right, so that looks good. And you can use all the spice or you can use just some of it. I use all of it because I like a nice, well-seasoned chicken. And of course, got to have more liquid smoke. We're going for that grilled taste. And now I'm just going to take my little chicken. I'm going to flip this little wing back because I do not like the way chicken look when it's cooked with the little wing out like that. It freaks me out. It looks scary, like it's about to fly off the plate. So I always tuck the little wings back just like that. If I don't cut them apart, I tuck them. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so that is ready. They are ready to go into our air fryer. Once they have all been tucked away, I'm going to open my little air fryer. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to the inside just so they don't stick, And then we're going to place my chicken into the air fryer. I got about 3 to 4 pieces in here. If you have a bigger air fryer, you may be able to get more. But yeah, put them in your air fryer. Don't crowd it. They need to have room for the air to kind of flow around it. I'm going to cook them at 350 for about 15 minutes. All right, and then after that I'm going to flip them over and I'm going to cook them at 400 for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, 400 for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then they're done. Nice and crispy and crunchy and perfect. So now they are just pretty much begging, they're pleading to get that barbecue sauce on them, you guys. And then let me tell you something. As soon as you put it on there, it's going to start soaking into that skin because the skin is so dry and crunchy. It's going to be the best thing ever. Like, it's so good. That crunch with that barbecue sauce, I just love it. But that really is it. Go ahead and just brush them with that sauce and then sprinkle on some parsley because parsley makes everything look so much prettier. Don't you think so? Like, parsley makes meat look so pretty. So I sprinkled on some parsley and then I was so done. Dinner was done. It was so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos. Later.